Hi guys, so this is our TCA with my unique styles and my unique braids, and this is the kinky full lace kinky lace wig, you guys. It's still good if anybody wants to know, but I am going to turn it now into a braided lace wig. I felt that, you know, might as well turn an old wig into a braided lace front. Instead of spending $100, I spent only 40 bucks on braiding hair, and I just braided it with the hair. So you guys, what I did was truly pinned it down. I think if you're ever going to braid a lace front wig, always pin it down really super flat, so that the braids are not going to be clumpy, and also so that they will fit your head. So the way that I did is that I super pinned it down on both sides, and also you guys can see, but I also pinned it in between. So here's the hair, you guys, and I'm basically doing the feeding effect, and there you go. As you can see, you guys, it looks perfect to my head shape, and that's what I was going for. I didn't want to make the braids too big and too clumpy. I just kind of wanted to make it look realistic to how I would braid, and also the way that I pinned it was super flat. So I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks, and so here it is again. I did a little zigzag and everything. I felt like it was good. It was good enough and everything. And also I will be adding beads to the hair. And here is the final results, you guys. I added butterflies because I love butterflies, and I felt like with this hairstyle it would be a little cute to just do a unique, different style to the braids. Yeah, the beads give it that 1970s look, but you know, the little butterflies added a little flavor to it. I thought it was cute. I got lots of compliments, you guys, at my job. Everybody was asking me, oh my god, who braided your hair? And I told them it's specifically a wig. So also I did the gold butterflies, and here's the back. The back looks really super good, looks super real. Also, you guys, I will send the link of where I got these butterflies, which I got them from Amazon, and also the other colorful ones, but I love the gold. The gold looks super, super cute. So I will send the links down at below, and please like and comment on this video. If you love it, subscribe it. Bye.